Welcome back to Play Chess Academy. In this video, we meet the true powerhouse of the board. The queen, unmatched in might, unstoppable in reach. She moves like no other, in every direction. Diagonally, straight, forward or back, unlimited squares, unlimited possibilities. In chess, the queen is strategy and strength combined. She doesn't rush, she rules. A single move can shift the entire game. And yet, the queen is not about aggression alone. She teaches patience, timing, and the art of presence. Because true power waits, then strikes. She protects, supports, leads, often in silence. The strongest ones don't always make the most noise. Like, subscribe, and we will meet in next video. Play Chess Academy, where every piece has a purpose. At Play Chess Academy, we teach more than chess. We teach every child, especially every girl, to step into their strength like a queen, bold, wise, unshakable,